We are in Burger King, guys. Ako kasi yung nag-drive, kaya hindi ako nakapag-film.
If I don't have to work, right?
Yeah.
I could sell your car, my car, and you can buy a
Oh, wow. That's nice. That's nice, Alexander.
Yeah.
Oh, that's hard.
That's not hot to me.
That's hard, babe, because when you go
So but
somewhere,
I have two diesel.
yeah, because
and
when you
one
go
electric.
because when you go somewhere and I want to go somewhere also, what do you do? Okay. Yan ang aking kasama. And Alexander. Dito na yung tagalinis namin. Alexander,
Yeah.
you sleepy?
Good.
Busog na si Alexander. We are done na kumain, guys. Punta na kami ng B&Q. Yeah, Alexander, did you enjoy your food? Oh, Alexander, ay. Pagod si Alexander. Ano kayang, ano na to, 11 na to. Matulog kahapon. So, we are going to, sorry my love. Pala na-open yung kasakyan. Ako kasi yung driver today. Driver tapos nagpe-film pa. This is Alexander. Alexander the Great.
The small.
Say hello, guys.
Hello guys.
Dito na kami, guys, sa B&Q. Bibili kami ng lawnmower, ha? What? Alexander? Oh. Why it's yellow?
It does say something there, but I can't.
Yeah, it's like it's blurred. So, we don't know what this mean. Oh, this one is for with kids. Yeah, like that. Yeah, no, this one only, but that is yellow. So it's a romance. Okay. Let's go. You want to help, Alexander? Or maybe not? Oh, I like this plant. Let's see how much is
Can
this.
you put it in?
Oh, yeah, I can. Let's see, guys, kung magkano to. Because I love this plant so much. Oh, 75. Ang mahal naman. Arica palm. Guys, under naglalaro ay... Hey, don't play around here. You will get lost. Oh, ang mahal. Sayang. Gusto ko pa naman sana to. Mahal lang. My goodness. Hindi tayo ng sale na lang. Diba, no? Oh, look at it. So good. So refreshing. Babe, it's so nice, but it's 75 pounds. I mean, you know, it's expensive.
And it doesn't look that healthy.
Yeah. Maybe it's dying even. For 75 pounds and it's dying.
Better buy smaller one and let it grow.
Yeah, but let's see how much is it. The price is 28. Ah, 28. Yeah, this one is like, sorry, more acceptable, but sorry. Okay, we'll think about it. Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Looks nice, but yeah, like it. Like you. Yeah? Okay, let's go. Yan, dami sila ditong mga, ano kasi to, B&Q. Oh, this one also, how much is it? 36 pounds. Oh, much
Yeah, I
expensive.
prefer this one because
It's more
they
for
are
long.
easy to care of.
Yeah.
And then the other ones, you know.
Yeah. This
I'm
is
sure
the
they
same
will
with
not
you.
die so fast. It's like forever. plant.
36, yeah.
And it's not-
Sunny room. But this is, yeah, this is the same with you.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's the same with what
They
you
are
have.
not growing so fast, you know.
Uh-huh.
Like you can, for example, buy this 34 pounds, yeah?
Yeah.
And it's so big already.
Yeah.
Or this one, 42. That is
In
big.
B&M, 25.
Maybe this one even.
Uh-huh.
Oh, 125. Why is
Oh.
so expensive? Crazy.
Mahal ng mga plants. Mahal dito sa BNK. Sa B&M, mas mura-mura ng konti. Okay.
Or maybe all of them.
All of them.
All of them.
Wow.
We buy all of them and we put them in the room.
No.
You need to pick.
No.
Alexander, do you want? You
You need
cannot
to
see
say
here.
if you want.
I think they have blinds here. What is this?
What? Like that, yeah? Oh, this
Yeah.
one is already blooming. Apple.
Oh, yeah, yeah. What do you think?
Yeah,
It's
apple
worth
tree.
it?
Of course.
It's worth it? They can be alive.
But this tree will grow so much that there will be no more space in your garden.
How about in...
For my garden, maybe, yeah.
Yeah?
I mean,
Yeah? But you need to take care of it. Can you?
Look at this pot, so big.
Yeah. Can you
No,
or
no,
not?
you just
Ah,
put-
like
put
that. Just
trees.
trees.
Trees
Yeah,
like
it's
that,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Just trees.
Or like this.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh,
Oh,
look
a
at
Christmas tree.
Yes. What is it?
49 pounds. Yeah.
Oh.
So you just put it in the ground, like that's it.
Oh.
And I can put so many on this
Ah,
club
yeah.
cup, and it's gonna be like a little forest.
Ah, yeah,
That's it,
yeah,
like-
yeah. And we can hide and sit there. It's
Yeah, yeah.
like a forest.
Like I will plan it like in a proper way,
Yeah.
that you can,
Yeah.
go inside.
Yeah.
And there's still you can put this one here, this
Yeah.
one there, like
Mm.
surrounded with trees. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
So
in your
nice.
garden, I
No.
don't think we can do that.
No, I don't
We
like
can-
also
we
because
can
I like
this
the
one,
grass.
Actually, like this one, we can because it's easy to cut. And it's not growing so much, it's not so wide, yeah? It's not spreading, so it's just going up, yeah?
Mm.
Basically. So you can always cut it. Like then it's living fence. Yeah? It's not really growing up, you can see, yeah? It's always like the same, you just have to
Yeah.
cut it, yeah? So we can do like this outside living room. Yeah, or like that. Yeah, like this, like this.
Yeah.
Because in your garden it should be like that. Smaller ones.
Uh-huh.
Bit like that.
Yeah.
This one's on the side.
Yeah.
So they grow a little bit more and that's it. And then you just cut them.
Yeah.
You just need to cut them all the time.
Yeah.
Because if you stop cutting them, they will grow so big. And then you will have this wood here. No.
Okay.
Like,
Really?
yeah.
Mm,
And then there's nothing in the down.
yeah.
So it's pointed. So you just have to cut the top all
Yeah.
the time. Yeah. And that's it. I don't like it. But like this, yeah.
Ah, small.
Smaller.
Oh.
And wait.
Uh-huh.
Because that's what my parents done when they bought this garden before they sold it. Like they had it for a while, they planted this,
Ah.
yeah, and after that they sold these gardens because it's like the area like in Klapkap.
Uh-huh. Look. It's like, it's not nothing like in the side, yeah? So how much is it? Ah, 450. 450, but there's no in the
And you
side.
know it's like forever, yeah.
Yeah, that's why.
Put it and that's it.
Yeah. But there's no side. I don't like it. There's no side. But this is 750, but you cannot lie down, yeah? You cannot lie down to this. Yeah. 250. This is the price, babe. This is cordless. Look, cordless. 18V. This is the price
Okay,
online.
give me my phone.
It's okay. Let's see. I'll give it to daddy, please. Si Alexander, pag inuutusan mo guys, nag-ano naman talaga siya. Look, it's so easy for this. Oh, I like it. It's so like,
Oh, this one.
this is, how much is it?
Motor. It's like petrol. You put petrol.
Ah, how much is it? 200, 300.
So it's not electric. My phone.
Alexander's waiting. My messenger is waiting for you. Actually, guys, gusto ko to kasi
They have a name in Patra.
yeah, kasi it's 89 tapos it's very lightweight. This one also it's nice. This 250. It's nice also. I don't know, maybe this one. Pero just this one This one, meron siyang para sa grass. You know, container para sa grass. Like that here. Yung isa is doesn't have.
Mommy?
I have to check si Afam. Can you also sometimes remove this for the grass? Grass collector? And then you do that, yeah? So, which one? The box is there, babe. If you want that. So we decided ito na lang bilhin namin, guys. It's because but you think it's okay, this brand? It's not known. Check muna namin kasi hindi siya known na brand, pero kailangan kasi namin dahil sometimes we need it for the sa isang bahay din, so malayo yung para sa cordon. Okay. You're not being careful now. You are not careful now. Let me check. Ito na sana yung gusto namin bilhin, guys. Yung 250. Ito. Kaso nga lang, wala silang stock. So, yan yung gusto namin bilhin. Wala silang stock. 250. And kailangan kasi namin cordless kasi nga dalawang bahay.
Okay, like that. I have options. Look.
Let me see.
One tomorrow if I order now. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And I still have primary things.
Okay. Okay. Cordless, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah. Actually, I also saw that they have like two. They give 2. Okay, babe. So we don't buy here. We just check it. We check it more online. Later. Kasi pag bibili kami, kailangan yung pang forever na.
I don't know.
Forever.
36 hour. They don't have like 36 hour here. Yeah?
No. Pang forever yung hinahanap ko dito. Forever? Are you my forever? Are you my forever? Are you my forever? Yeah. No? Oh, that's bad.
I said yeah.
Ah, okay. Come on, you're falling down. You're falling down.
I'm tired. So I'm sweating.
Sandal, guys. Ay, naglalaro ko.
Ow, ow, I'm the mover. Ow, you have to make
Yeah, overall this one is okay.
Yeah?
sure.
Because 10,000 reviews and like 4.5 star out of 5. Yeah?
Okay.
And it's look at that.
Oh yeah, that's so easy. Yeah, you can put in
I
cordless.
think it's actually like this.
Ah, but just cordless, yeah?
Yeah.
And how much is it?
135.
Ah, okay. That's good.
So you want me to order it?
Yeah, it's cordless, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Everything there
That's it.
you want? Everything that you want?
2 years accidental damage insurance.
Okay.
Like that, yeah?
Okay.
3 years
3 years warranty?
for extra 18 pounds.
No need that. We don't damage it. I don't think so.
If it's
The
something,
important is just cordless and the brand is known, you know? So,
2 years accidental damage insurance from London Generations.
you don't need that.
Extra. Yeah?
Yeah.
I think this one is the best, yeah?
Well,
because you can buy cheaper. It's even more reviews. 11,000
It's
for
because
98.
yeah, because people normally just buy the cheapest one, but with good brand, yeah.
Which can also be okay with additional blade.
Okay. But it's not cordless, or is it?
Electric.
So cordless, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Like
why you
this
don't
one.
want to buy it?
They're all like this one.
So why you don't want to buy it?
I'm not saying I didn't want to buy it.
Okay. Sa online na lang kami bibili, guys,
All of
kasi
it was there.
yeah, wala sila yung gusto namin. And then now, check ko lang yung sa garden. If we can masyadong dito kasi to. Para tong Ace Hardware, parang ganon. So lahat ng mga kailangan mo nandito.
So that's it.
Yeah.
Just here.
Let's see. Oh, here. Okay, here kami sa mga paint. Kasi nga, kailangan namin bumili sa bahay. And then, we're thinking this one. This is white. Floss finish. And, but we need to make sure it's the white, the same white with what we have. Kasi sometimes it's like very obvious na it's different like that. So, we'll check it.
Why are you filming me there?
Wala kaming nabili, guys, kasi wala sila yung gusto namin na brand ng lawnmower. Tapos yung paint din, wala din sila na gusto namin. So yeah, decided na lang na mag-order sa Amazon. And we're going home na. Yan lang yung ating video today. So I hope you enjoy. Yan, Alexander, come here now. Naglalaro si Alexander kahit saan. Humihilit si Alexander dito. Pag umiihi siya sa backdrink. Alexander, come here now. Malapit na kasi mag-4 din. So, hold my hand. Hold my hand. Malapit na din kasi maging mag-4. So, need to, uwi na. Nakakain na kami ng Burger King. And so on. Yeah. Okay. Guys, nandito na kami sa bahay, guys. At tingnan nyo ang nangyari sa buhok ni Alexander. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Yan, gawa yan ni Alexander. Yan, ay. Yan, tapos eto pa dito. Yan sa side. Yeah, after kong magbayad ng, tingnan nyo, kita nyo ba? Yeah, here. After kong magbayad ng, hold it first. Post it first. I'm explaining to guys. Pagkatapos kong magbayad sa barber, ito lang yung ginawa niya. Yan, kita nyo dyan. So, ang mangyayari nito, what will happen? I will cut your hair shorter so much. Yeah? Are you happy? I cut your hair so short?
That's for 10 minutes with all these
Can you
hairs.
explain to them why you cut your hair?
I don't know.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo, yan, mga buhok niyan. Nag-wear na ako sa kanyang tapos ito ditong chair. Oh my God. Okay. Kala ko madumi. Yan, buhok ni Alexander. Anyway, kukuwear lang ako. Ayan, meron pang mga hair dyan, di ba? Linis tayo, guys. Oh my goodness. Iba na talaga ang kabataan ngayon. Gumagawa na ng kung ano-ano sa buhok niya. Last time, may ginawa na siyang ganyan. Pero, nandito lang sa side. So, hindi super obvious. Kasi long hair siya before, diba? Pero ngayon kasi, kakakat lang niya ng hair. So, medyo short siya. Kaya, mas obvious compared to before.